I am. 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 Awesome. 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 I'm different. There's no one like me. I'm very unique.
Because I'm fun.
I'm brave.
I am strong.
I am happy.
I love.
I'm good at soccer.
I love learning in the classroom.
I'm smart.
I'm very strong.
I help my mom do the dishes.
I'm an all-star soccer player.
I am silly. I make good grades. I'm good at gymnastics. I am brave. I am creative. All day, every day, I'm smart. We are awesome because we are twins. And I can make this world awesome by saving the environment.
By being a good friend.
I can help others and tell them they are amazing.
I can spread out peace. To save the pandas.
I can be kind.
By helping others when they need something.
I can save the turtles. I can stop the bullies. By being nice to others.
I can tell everyone they have a purpose of being here.
I'm going to tell the word about Jesus. I'm going to pick up garbage.
By saving the environment.
By being kind to your mother. By stopping the bully. By saving the jungle.
And doing my homework.
By being kind.
By donating. By helping the homeless.
I can help the community come together.
I'm brave, I'm strong, I'm loved, I'm smart.